In this lesson, we'll be adding further animation to the stack of coins. Okay, so in our last lesson, we brought those coins in and used our F-curves to add a really nice slow down at the end of those coins dropping in. However, we still have a little bit of a strange thing going on with the coins being exactly the same furtherness apart from each other. So what we need to do is go into the cloner and go into our object tab and change that 15 centimeters and that height over time. So I like that it's ending at 15 centimeters. So probably around frame 40, we could say that that comes in to place. So I'll go ahead and key that there. And then let's move back to the beginning to about frame 20. And let's just see what 30 centimeters looks like. So we'll key that again. So we doubled it. That's really not a whole lot further apart, but let's just see how it looks. So they kind of start to come back into place. And I think they could probably start that a little bit sooner. So let's pull that back in here. So they're closer together earlier on. And then let's say on that frame 20, instead of 30, let's try 60. We'll just rekey, overwrite that other one. So they're much further apart and they're getting closer together at the end. That's a little more obvious, so I like that a little bit better. Very nice. Okay, so now what we need to do, if we're happy with the way this looks, is let's just go ahead and add some textures since we know this is our navy blue column. So I'll just go into my MoGraph coin for this one, and I'm going to drop my navy blue color on the coin body and drop my off-white color on the dollar sign. Pretty easy. Now when we start reusing these, we'll want to change the color. We'll want that to be that other yellow color that we have for the second column of coins. But I think this looks pretty good so far. So let's just come back in our next lesson and we'll be repurposing that original coin stack, changing its color and moving it over so that it can be reused on the other side. Okay. So we'll come back in the next lesson and just try to get a few rows done just by changing up a few of our settings and just being able to reuse that original.